Alright, so this is just going to be a quick video showing how to open up this Lenovo IdeaCentre 510A-15ICB. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the two screws on the back. Alright, so you want to use a PH2 or JS2 screwdriver, though if you don't have one, you can get by with a PH1 or JS1. You can also use one of these, I don't know what you call that, hex or whatever fits around this outside, I forget, socket type. Alright, anyways, we're gonna go ahead and remove these screws. Okay, I'm doing this with one hand because my other hand, oops, hold on. Alright, I'm back. So we removed that one screw. We're gonna now remove this other screw. Sorry, I was getting scam calls. More fake healthcare video or scams. I need to start recording those and then make some fun videos or something of that. Alright, anyways, once you've removed both those screws, you have this handle here. We're going to pull this back, alright? So I get my fingers in there, and then I pull while kind of pushing with my knuckles forward. So just like this. Okay, alright, once you pull it back, it'll stop. Then you can go ahead and lift this out. Okay, once you've lifted that out, the way you get this thing open. So I'm just going to show a quick thing how to get this open because my customer's waiting outside. Alright, oh, I'm getting another phone call. Give me a second. Alright, anyways, you got these three plastic tabs here, so you're going to pull this up, alright? If you can, it helps to use both hands so you can kind of pull multiple at once. But once you do that, you can kind of swing this over, and you want to be careful because there's a cable attached here. Okay, so I'm trying to be careful doing this with one hand and everything. Alright, and then to get this open, there's this little piece here. You push that down, and then you can lift this whole thing up. If you want to change the hard drive out, see here, so this is a standard 3.5-inch SATA hard drive. There's 4 screw mounts there. You can take those 4 screws out, and then you can remove the SATA connectors here. You just basically pull them back. If you're not sure how to do that, you can watch other videos showing how to remove hard drives and things. Then you also got the small CD drive here, optical drive. Alright, I think this one screw here is holding it in. Then you can slide it out, but I'm not going to mess around with it. It looks like there's multiple screws. There's 2 screws on this side as well. Alright, then the RAM here, just like every other desktop, you pull these tabs back or push them down. Okay, I'm going to leave it as is. One of their slots is bad, and the RAM isn't working right if I use the other slot. Anyways, here you can see the CPU fan. I just kind of wanted to show a quick look inside. You got the CPU power from the power supply, and you got this power to the motherboard. So this uses a special power supply. You can't just use any. Then you got the SSD here. I think according to the bottom, it's just a 16 gig SSD Intel Optane. You got the wireless card there, and here's the power supply. You can actually check yours, but that's what's in here. Alright, so this was just a quick look inside. You also got this little connector there. I'm not sure what that's for. I think that's the USB-C port. That board right there underneath all of that. Alright, but anyways, that's pretty much it. You got the 2 SATA connectors. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. Alright, I forgot to show you how to put it back together. So just swing this back down. It clicks back into place. Alright, then this piece, you want to get the bottom hooks in first. Alright, so those hooks go into those slots there. Alright, once you get that, you just swing it up. You should be able to click this all back in. Alright. And then, of course, we just put the cover back on. So you start with the cover slightly back here. Okay. I want to make sure it lines up. Okay, man, this is tricky with one hand. So, okay, that's what I get for trying to record this and show you guys. It's too big. I don't have it on my regular recording surface. The other thing is you want this metal tab here to be behind this slot. Okay, so make sure it's all lined up, and then you can just push it together. I'm going to have to use my stomach to do that. There we go, and here you can see this metal tab came back out, and then we just get those screws back in. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, share my channel with others so that they can learn how to upgrade and repair their devices as well. Normally I would do this on a desk or on the floor, not in my lap like this. But this makes it a little bit easier to record. And also the front cover piece, if you have it on a desk, you're not going to be able to flop it forward, so keep that in mind. You will have to have, let me show you here. So you will have to have this part hanging over the edge of your desk, so that way when you pull it forward, this won't hit the ground or the desk. Alright, anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.